In the ever-evolving world of professional cameras, Nikon and Sony are once again at the forefront, vying for dominance in the hybrid camera segment. The Nikon Z8 II and the Sony A7V are poised to deliver groundbreaking innovations for photographers and videographers alike. With the anticipated Z8 II, Nikon aims to refine its design by addressing key challenges faced by the current Z8, such as battery endurance, overheating, and weight concerns, while enhancing its features to meet the demands of professionals. Meanwhile, Sony's rumored A7V seeks to set a new benchmark, leveraging AI-driven autofocus, next-level stabilization, and cutting-edge video capabilities to cater to a hybrid market hungry for versatility. As the competition intensifies, both models promise to bring significant advancements to the table. But what sets them apart? From sensors to video performance, weight optimization, and usability, this comparison dives deep into what these cameras are likely to offer. Whether you're a professional looking for reliability or a creator exploring creative possibilities, the Nikon Z8 II and Sony A7V could redefine the hybrid camera experience. The sensor and processing power of a camera are critical components that influence its overall performance. Nikon's Z8 II is expected to build on the foundation of its predecessor by introducing a high-resolution sensor designed for improved versatility. One of the most anticipated enhancements is the introduction of reduced raw resolution options, a feature that would appeal to professionals like wedding and sports photographers who need efficient workflows without compromising image quality. Such flexibility would optimize storage and streamline post-processing for high-volume shooting scenarios. On the other hand, Sony's A7V is rumored to retain its 33-megapixel full-frame BSI-CMOS sensor. However, the A7V's sensor is expected to be complemented by a next-generation BIONZXR processor, which may incorporate advanced AI capabilities. These advancements promise faster processing speeds, improved low-light performance, and enhanced autofocus functionality. The integration of AI could make the A7V particularly adept at recognizing and tracking complex subjects, such as birds in flight or fast-moving athletes, giving it an edge in dynamic shooting environments. Hybrid shooters often demand robust video features, and both the Nikon Z8 II and Sony A7V are set to deliver. The Nikon Z8 II is likely to prioritize improved thermal management, addressing overheating concerns reported in the Z8. These enhancements could enable longer, uninterrupted recording sessions, crucial for professional videographers. The addition of redundant video recording, higher bit rates, and advanced color profiles might further solidify the Z8 II as a reliable hybrid tool. Sony, however, appears ready to push the boundaries of video performance. The A7V is rumored to offer 6K oversampling and 4K recording at up to 120 frames per second, enabling cinematic quality footage with exceptional detail. The inclusion of refined S-Cinetone profiles and improved dynamic range would appeal to filmmakers aiming for professional-grade output. Sony's rumored 8-stop in-body stabilization system could also set a new standard for handheld videography, providing unmatched stability for shooting in challenging conditions. Portability and durability are critical for photographers and videographers who frequently work on location. Nikon's Z8 II is expected to address weight concerns, as the current Z8 is notably heavier than its competitors. By optimizing its construction, Nikon could strike a balance between a lighter body and robust thermal management, making the Z8 II more appealing to travel and adventure photographers. Sony's A7V, on the other hand, is likely to maintain the lightweight design of its predecessor, the A7IV, while incorporating advanced cooling systems to support extended use. This combination of portability and reliability could make the A7V a top choice for professionals who prioritize mobility without sacrificing performance. Both cameras are expected to feature impressive autofocus systems, but their approaches may differ. The Nikon Z8 II could refine its eye detection accuracy and subject tracking capabilities, catering to photographers who work in fast-paced environments, such as events or sports. Enhanced tracking for animals and vehicles might further broaden its versatility, ensuring consistent performance across diverse scenarios. Sony, however, is rumored to elevate its autofocus game with AI-powered advancements. The A7V's real-time tracking system is expected to excel at recognizing and following complex subjects, such as birds in flight or multiple moving subjects. This precision could make the A7V an ideal tool for wildlife and sports photography, where split-second accuracy is critical. Seamless connectivity and efficient workflows are essential for modern professionals, and both cameras are expected to deliver on these fronts. The Nikon Z8 II may expand its wireless capabilities, offering faster file transfers and enhanced integration with cloud storage. Improved customization options, such as persistent release modes and shooting bank features, could further streamline the user experience. Sony's A7V is rumored to lead the way with cutting-edge connectivity options, including USB-C with 10 gigabits per second transfer speeds, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.3. These features would enable faster data sharing, reliable remote operation, and smoother integration with external devices, giving Sony an edge in professional workflows. Battery endurance and heat dissipation are crucial factors for hybrid cameras, particularly for professionals who shoot for extended periods. The Nikon Z8 II is expected to address the Z8's battery performance concerns by introducing a more robust power solution while maintaining its compact form factor. Enhanced thermal management could also make the Z8 II a more reliable choice for intensive video and photo sessions. Sony's A7V is rumored to feature improved heat management systems, enabling longer recording sessions without the risk of overheating. This upgrade, combined with efficient battery performance, would make the A7V a dependable option for hybrid shooters who require reliability under demanding conditions. Both cameras are expected to prioritize user-friendly designs and customization options. Nikon's Z8 II could focus on enhancing its shooting bank features, allowing users to save and recall specific settings quickly. This level of customization would cater to professionals who need to adapt to different shooting scenarios on the fly. Sony's A7V may take usability a step further by integrating AI-driven features and real-time effects. These additions could expand creative possibilities, enabling photographers and videographers to experiment with unique looks and styles directly in camera. In terms of market positioning, the Nikon Z8 II is expected to address user feedback to maintain its competitiveness against rivals like the Canon R5 Mark II and Sony A7V. Its success will likely hinge on offering meaningful refinements that enhance real-world usability without dramatic overhauls. Sony's A7V, with a rumored price range of $2,500 to $2,800, is positioned as a premium option for professionals and enthusiasts. Its anticipated features, including AI-powered autofocus, superior stabilization, and advanced video capabilities, could justify its pricing and cement its status as a leading hybrid camera. The Nikon Z8 II and Sony A7V represent two distinct approaches to hybrid camera design, each catering to the needs of professional photographers and videographers. While the Nikon Z8 II aims to resolve its predecessor's challenges and deliver a more polished experience, the A7V pushes boundaries with cutting-edge technology and next-level video capabilities. Ultimately, the choice between these two models will depend on individual preferences and specific use cases. Whether you prioritize Nikon's refined usability and robust build or Sony's innovative features and cinematic prowess, both cameras promise to be formidable tools for creative professionals. As the hybrid camera market continues to evolve, the Nikon Z8 II and Sony A7V stand out as game-changing contenders that could redefine what's possible in the realm of photography and videography.